We are in Manali. That are my friends. They are taking bath. Me also I will take bath. Now I will go away because I wear long pants. That's why I'm not jumping. Me also I will swim. Woo! Me also I want to jump. Yeah. Can you see that waterfall? We are going that side now. Okay.
Keep on watching.
Keep on watching. Now we will climb that side. What is called parsha. Let's go. Now we are already tired, but we don't know how to feel tired. Like this road, same like Meghalaya. Wari chora ko nini ang tadi kalja, lemen nam kala ramrang de. Anak ko ba lang ha. Who's don't stop. Oh, so far. You have no future without me. Let me live. What? Oh, nice view, but no drone. For us, if we have drone, then we can clip nicely. Already top of the mountain. That one is nice viewpoint. I will click picture now. My friends are there going ahead. I'm waiting here to click picture. Let them reach first.
Northeast people, I'm enjoying here.
No, you're not from Northeast. You get tired. Always get tired. They already reach. Now you will see. This are from Northeast people. We are. This place is in. Now me also. I'm almost reached here.
Let's go waterfall. Come back.
View. Oh, nice view. That one is. That place is. I don't know the name, but let me go to waterfall first. I will show you later that one. The view. Oh. Wow, now almost reach, but still have to go. Anyway, just wait a little bit. You can see now. I will show you. Anyway, almost reach. Not so big, but this one is the highest one, I think. Hello, waterfall ko dekne. Oh, so wow! Already see. Ooh, very nice. Whoa! Oh, so sweet. Ooh. Yeah. What to do? We're just like in our dream. Hello everyone, actually I'm reached now here, the waterfall. See the waterfall. Woo, so nice, no? Brothers and sisters, this is not our Northeast, okay? This is in Himachal, Manali. This is the highest waterfall in the world, I think. View is also very nice. We can see from that side. Sunset also still there. Oh! Welcome to this place. I hope you people are enjoying with me. Ay, tak ke juang sekarang tak na. Juang ko nila tansiman pula. I will na. If I fall in love with some girls, I might be still in Garo Hills in Meghalaya. But I'm single, that's why I'm roaming here and there. Woo! So beautiful! He's not enjoying. They are enjoying nicely. Abung! This? Okay. Say something, no?
Oh, video.
Yes.
Manali, parsha, waterfall. This is parsha, waterfall.
Yes.
Stay tuned in her list. Keep on watching. Very cool. Bye bye.
Thank you guys, those who enjoy with my video. Next time we will go to some place where snow is falling down. We'll go this side. Bye bye. Another viewpoint. Another place for clicking photo. Oh, lot for clicking photo here. Ayo, oktis ko ng jangan takbo ba? Abri kosak lang gram bajok. Kiyang dis ko ng yung kacong. Biap sedeng kanan. Ibanan sekajok. This one is the best view in the world also. This one is the best view, I think. Outside also so high. Morning time will be nice. Kamachagali parking. Aro ini kama jong nang kugen kilometer tham rang kong nang kugen. Aro daw ching kilometer tham kong bunga kosak chani. May lekin jangki tangtok wah ini dong barang ayon man play jangki tangga barang nan nok pa building rekarara abri lang oh tak huh. I'm sometimes in speaking in English also for the Garo people, no, those who don't know English, for the this Manali is, I don't know, I cannot imagine how the people are living, no? I'm saying like this in Garo. Now we are going to riverside, not from Garo Hills riverside. Tahu cina ya cium ko batsot na mua, ciumnya tak boleh dalane cium harak boleh. Finally, Manali River. Welcome to Manali River. They are planning to cross this river, but see, the water is so fast and so big. Cannot cross. They are coming back. Now we'll go back. Nibo dak plesian taraka mai ke chai ka basokin hai. Dak plesian taraka bo.